Now on the right, you get to select your language.
We are going to take you back to Jorvik Viking.
And there's speakers behind us.
New streets, new churches, and a brand new style of houses. It was a busy place, with people arriving from all over the Viking world to visit, trade, and settle. In this multicultural society, people have different appearances, languages. How the shelf found here suggests
Smell pots are absolutely amazing.
from the Red Sea. It's possible that Arab this man maybe went to Europe to sell. Slavery was on the water, and government elsewhere, bringing with them spoils and railways and slaves were involved in society all over Northern and Western Europe at this time. It looks like this slave trader is trying to make his way to Copper. But before we get there, let's have a look at some of the many craftsmen who worked on here in the city. Here's Sigurd, pieces riveted together and then decorated. We know that the Vikings like to keep themselves well groomed, as we found many combs in the excavations, as well as items such as tweezers and even ear scrolls.
How are you getting on with the smells, Hayley?
Oh, it stinks.
Ahead, you can see a simple, single-story building. These older houses were built from posts.
You can see you're on a suspended track.
And thatched roofs.
A suspended track.
Most of these houses went out of use in the middle of the 10th century when they were replaced by the oak plank buildings that we'll talk about. They're quite short and have a long snout like a whale. Eggs were not almost anything, so it would have been a great way to turn household waste to meat. Here's the blacksmith's house. Look inside and you can see his wife by the fire. Roman, the blacksmith, is teaching his son how to sharpen a knife he just made. Blacksmiths were masters of their craft, and here in Jorvik they made everything from needles to beautifully ornate handles.
Just say, even the ground looks like it's real mud.
Here, the cellar is being dug out and lined with old pins before the upper story.
So realistic.
You can see a stack of turrets over there that are going to be used to roof this building. Looks like the builders are having a rest.
I mean, that's almost Madame Tussauds standard.
This family also look like they're taking a break. The children are being taught to play Nefertari by their grandfather.
Apple's done well not to
We
rot.
found a wooden gaming board and lots of playing pieces made from gold, wood, and iron. So it must have been good at that. Let's go back towards the river where big trading ships are built that have come up from the North Sea.
Look at that cat.
Traders are unloading their goods alongside fishing boats in their docks. Goods and raw materials from across Britain, as well as rare and valuable items from further afield, were brought into Jorvik. Iron alloy parts from Britain alongside handling, sharpening stones and war swords from Scandinavia, and good wine from Ireland. Jorvik was truly bustling, a vast international trading centre. Wheels and even oysters. So these men are probably doing a war in training. Have a look at the man cutting up. His face has been reconstructed based on a skull that was found in Europe. Later on in the visit, you'll see more real faces like this.
Gruesome.
This next bit is a backyard where the people living here seem to have been dyeing their own clothes. The people of Jorvik spun fleece, then dyed and knitted their own wool to make textiles from which they made their own clothes.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember any of this from the school trip. Other than the smells. Do you remember any of this from school days?
Yeah, well, I tell you something, I am dreading dreading the bit where it's like you go through the sewers
Now
because
entering one of the new style.
there's a bit where it really smells
Still
and they would
discussing
gag.
whether these buildings are one
Well, that to look forward to, folks.
They all have really
Heavy gagging.
below ground level.
It's all content.
Travel through this two-roomed house. You can imagine the floor of the house used to weave woolen cloth for clothing and blankets. We're now moving. As you can see from these stalls, you can buy almost anything. Copenhagen is just one of the many streets in the city, which is home to more than 10,000 people. The streets of the city of Jorvik are covered in filth and mud, rutted by carpets and with potholes everywhere. This leather worker seems to be having a problem sewing his shoe pieces together and looks like he has Viking's disease, or Dupuytren's contraction. You can see it's caused the fingers on his hand to become cold. It's a genetic disorder that runs in families and seen particularly in middle-aged men. Tradition has it that they originated with a Viking and spread it throughout Northern Europe and beyond as they travel and intermarry. This couple here are arguing about what to have for supper, meat or fish. It would seem that life hasn't changed too much over the last 1,000 years. They're arguing in old Norse. If you listen carefully, you can hear Old English, Middle Welsh, and Old Irish all being spoken in this street. Here's a food seller trying to sell this wealthy-looking woman cabbage of some sort. It doesn't look like the type of thing that would tempt her or anyone. This woman looks like she's struggling to cross the road. We only have 2 complete skeletons and excavations. This one is based on an income. You can see that she's walking with a crutch due to her hip problems and arthritis. You can find out more about her in the galleries to come. There is lots of evidence for there being a Viking-era church just behind Copenhagen, and there were many other new churches built in Jorvik at this time. Here's a priest administering last rites. He would always have worn a stole as seen here, as it marked his priestly status. Reflects for the major changes in the countryside we see around Jorvik at this time. In this backyard, animals have been slaughtered to provide meat and other resources. Body parts of cattle must have been a fairly familiar sight and smell around Viking Age Europe. As well as supplying meat, cattle carcasses also provided corn and corn, both valuable resources for making everyday items. Stomach contents and powder were other byproducts of the slaughter. There must have been loads of flies, breeding in rubbish pits and dumps across the city. The red carpet there on the fence would have been a regular visitor, scavenging in the city, particularly in a backyard like this. Toilets would also have been...
The smell is changing.
Pits in this year were clearly used as latrines, as they were full of human waste, as well as moss, which was a type of...
Guess what he's doing, folks?
This man here doesn't look too happy to be disturbed, so perhaps we'd better move on quickly. Here, we are in our final house. In the excavations in Copenhagen, we found a few Viking Age musical instruments, including a set of panpipes which can still be played. Music, saga-telling and poetry must have been important in the Viking world. Iceland and Scandinavia are culturally rich in storytelling, traditions that developed in Viking times.
There we go, we've just done Jorvik.
We did just do Jorvik, and it's absolutely incredible. As you'll see from the POV and stuff,
Highlights.
the detail on the animatronics are incredible.
To me, it's...
Merlin, take no.
No, well, they've got, I would say, that second behind the Dark Ride of Madame Tussauds in London. The dark ride
Oh
took you.
no, I'd say that's better. That's way more detailed.
Controversial again.
Well, okay, so let me put it this way. There was a lady that was in there that was waiting to cross. I thought it was a real person. She made me jump.
She did, she screamed. Not sure if you heard it, but she did scream.
It did scream. It's
Um,
incredible.
highly
And as they
recommend
said
it.
when we walked in, your ticket is valid for 12 months. You can come as many times as you want in those 12 months.
It is worth
So
it.
it is so much, so worth it.
Yes.
So get down, try it.
Yes. And we'll carry on with our tour of York.
Let's go see what we're at now.
Yes.
Bye.